Let's cook some fresh collard greens.
The collard greens has long stem.
You gotta separate the leaf, the green, from the stem.
Down. Put the stem off, take the leaf off.
The most important part of cooking fresh collards, fresh greens, is washing them. You cannot have grit in your greens. I'm gonna say that one more time. You cannot have grit in your greens and they still be good. Wash your greens thoroughly.
Okay. This is the third wash.
Fresh collards are harvested from the earth. After several washes, you should no longer see any dirt, grit, or debris. With these greens, I'm using a smoked pork shank because it's what I have is what's on deck, but smoked turkey wings are excellent as well. Now that my greens are squeaky clean, let's get them over into the pot to begin to simmer. Remember, when cooking, don't be in a rush. Give your food love, and it'll give it right back to you.
Fresh ground black pepper, red cider vinegar, brown sugar, minced garlic, red pepper flake, salt, and ground clove.
wish you could smell what's going on in this kitchen right now. Oh my goodness. These greens are seasoned, tender, succulent, and absolutely delicious. If you appreciate this type of content, please like and subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching.